A flat roof is a type of roofing system with a horizontal or nearly horizontal surface. It is an ancient form of roofing still used in many parts of the world today. In the United States, they are most commonly found in commercial and industrial buildings. There are several advantages to having a flat roof. It is cheaper to build than pitched roofs and requires less maintenance. It also has a higher fire rating than pitched roofs, and they can be used for solar panels or green roofs. There are some disadvantages to flat roofs as well. They are not as good at shedding snow and ice, which can lead to leaks and other problems. It also tends to collect more dirt and debris, which can shorten its lifespan. The cost of flat roof replacement in Boise can vary depending on the materials used and the roof size. However, there are a few things that you can do to help keep the costs down. For example, you may consider using recycled materials or opting for a less expensive roofing option. Additionally, if you have a smaller roof, you may be able to get away with a less expensive replacement option. Ultimately, the best way to ensure you get the most affordable flat roof replacement is to compare prices from multiple contractors.